If we work 8 hours daily duty and perform our basic responsibilities, it might be possible that we won't be promoted or appraised as outstanding at the end of the year. But when we perform extraordinary efforts besides our routine responsibilities or tasks and keep our boss happy, then there is a possibility of a promotion at the end of the year. Similarly, if we want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us higher rank in this life and hereafter, then we need to do extra good deeds along with our core religious responsibilities as we work overtime in our jobs or work day and night in our businesses. So can't we work overtime or work hard in praying to raise our ranks? It is mentioned in Quran, for everyone there is a direction to which he turns his face. Strive then to excel each other in good deeds. Often we see kids playing video games where they are collecting gold coins. So why don't we keep accumulating good deeds all the time? Greet everyone on the go, talk with smile, behave with good manners, and so on. Everyone asks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for highest rank in Jannah. But as high as heaven is, do we have high good deeds? It's mentioned in a hadith. Whoever died truly knowing that there is no God but Allah will enter paradise. As mentioned in the hadith, that even a person who has recited La ilaha illallah by heart will enter Jannah. But will that be enough to get the highest rank in Jannah? On the day of resurrection, the faces of the believers will be glowing because of their deeds, and they will be blessed in the same way. The better deeds they have, the more glow on their faces will be. We should always look out for good deeds so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala raise our ranks in this world and hereafter both, and bless us Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.